Imagine walking into any meeting and feeling completely at ease. No scrambling to take notes, no worrying about missing details, because your AI teammate already handles transcription, translation, and summaries for you. Let's be honest, speaking up in a global meeting can feel overwhelming. You're juggling communication with people from different regions, trying to keep track of fast conversations, and when it's over, the key insights often slip away. That's where Vurbo.ai steps in. It's not just an AI tool. It's your all-in-one meeting partner, capturing audio, translating in real time, generating structured notes, and keeping everything organized and secure. With Vurbo.ai, meetings become effortless. It captures audio across platforms like Zoom or Teams, even hybrid events with in-person and remote participants. And the best part? You keep full ownership of your recordings and notes, all saved securely on your device. Vurbo.ai supports over 100 languages, works online and offline, and keeps everything organized in one hub. Together, these features don't just make meetings easier to follow, they transform the entire experience into something clearer, faster, and more organized. Vurbo.ai is the most reliable AI teammate you'll ever have. So next time you join an international meeting, you'll never feel lost again.